Upgrade your FANUC CRT to LCD in 30 minutes. Is your CRT dimming, blurring, or flickering? For FANUC A61L-0001-0093 and 18 series, the A61L-0001-0093 is a 9-inch monochrome CRT. Rated for only 15,000 hours, its flyback transformer often fails. Replacement parts are scarce and expensive. The 120-pin signal and DC 24V power are all you need. Introducing the FANUC KT0093 LCD, a direct replacement. With 800 by 600 resolution and 350 nits brightness. Consumes only 8 watts versus 30, saving 73% energy. Rated over 50,000 hours with an MTBF of 80,000 hours. Install in 30 minutes with one screwdriver, no wiring or parameter changes. Auto signal detection makes it truly plug and play. Enjoy a crisp, stable display with no flicker or burn-in. Trusted by shops worldwide for reliable performance. Upgrade your FANUC today at cncdisplay.com.